We're gonna have the capo on the 3rd fret, and in the verse we start off with C, and then we go to A minor, and then to G for twice as long. And the strumming pattern here is down, 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 up, down, 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 up. In the chorus, we have the same strumming pattern as in the verse, and we start off with F to G to C, and then A minor. And we play this for 3 rounds. And then on the 4th round, we start again with F, and then to G, and then on the C we play 8th notes down strum. So down, 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 down. So here is the whole chorus.